Well, and colonics are free too. I mean, you can get an enema bag for $10, and get that hydration there. But the beauty of the Enlightener is that you get it one time and you use it as much as you want. It's. But yes, these are free. It's about water. It's about your own discipline, your sense of being able to apply yourself and appreciate that we need, in order to grow, we need to exert effort, right effort, functional effort, and the sunshine, which is carrying the life force. Even though we need to get our eating right, and we want it to be green-centric so that it tees this waste up for removal, I want to get people thinking more about waste elimination, waste release, than their diets, because often they just think that the waste release is extra. They actually don't need to worry about that so much, or that the intake is more important. The intake creates the conditions for the waste release. The waste release is the key. The degree to which you release the waste is the degree to which your whole body and mind and being and everything is going to transform and transfigure. The gold is in the quantity of waste that you release.